Greetings and welcome to this video on JavaScript interview questions and answers. My name is Michelle AI, and our focus today is on type coercion, a topic frequently discussed in front-end interviews. As we explore this subject, you will not only deepen your understanding of JavaScript, but also refine your skills for your next JavaScript interview. During the video, we'll pose a question for you to answer, followed by the correct response. We will give you 15 seconds to answer each question. Optionally, you can pause the video if you need more time. Although we will be focusing on interview responses, it's important to be familiar with the technical aspect of each topic. You can find detailed technical responses under the type coercion category on our website at hellojavascript.info. So, let's get started with the first question. What is the difference between explicit and implicit type coercion? The interview response is: explicit type coercion involves using specific methods or functions to convert data types intentionally, while implicit coercion happens automatically when the interpreter coerces data types without explicit or direct instruction. Let's move on to the next question. How is explicit type coercion implemented in JavaScript? Here is the correct answer to this question. Explicit type coercion is implemented using built-in functions or methods that convert values of one type to another. These functions include the number, string, Boolean, and parseInt built-in methods. Here's the next question. Name one method that automatically converts a value to a string. The correct interview response is: the toString method in JavaScript is commonly used to automatically convert a value to a string representation. This method can be called on various data types such as numbers, booleans, and objects to obtain a string representation of their values. Now for the next question. What built-in object do we use to explicitly convert values to a string? The correct answer is: in JavaScript, we can use the built-in string object to explicitly convert values to a string. The string object provides several methods for converting values of different data types to strings. This is the next question. When do numeric conversions happen in JavaScript? This is the correct way to answer this question. Numeric conversions occur during arithmetic operations, comparison operations using the equality operator, or when explicitly converting a value using methods like number, parseInt, or parsefloat. Let's look at the next question. What object do we use to explicitly convert values to a number? The correct interview answer is: we can use the number object to explicitly convert values to a number. Now for the next question. What is the result of an explicit attempt to convert a non-number to a number? Here is the response to this interview question. In JavaScript, the result of an explicit attempt to convert a non-number to a number using the number function will return nan. Let's move on to the next question. If there is an attempt to convert an undefined value to a number, what will the return result be? Here is the interview response. If there is an attempt to convert an undefined value to a number in JavaScript, it will result in a return value of nan. Let's move on to the next question. What is the return result in JavaScript when attempting to convert a null value to a number? The interview response is: in JavaScript, when converting a null value to a number using the number function or the unary plus operator, the return result is 0. This is the next question. In JavaScript, what is the return value when you attempt a numeric conversion of true or false? Here is the correct answer to this question. In JavaScript, when converting true to a number, the return value is 1. When converting false to a number, the return value is 0. Let's look at the next question. Give a brief description of the potential outcomes when converting a string to a number in JavaScript. The correct interview response is: in JavaScript, converting a string to a number can result in a valid number, nan for non-numeric strings, or 0 for empty strings. Now for the next question. Do Boolean conversions happen implicitly, explicitly, or both? This is the correct way to answer this question. In JavaScript, Boolean conversions can happen both implicitly, through type coercion in expressions, and explicitly, using the Boolean function or the double not operator. Here's the next question. Are there any functions we can use for explicit Boolean conversions? The correct interview answer is: yes, in JavaScript, you can use the Boolean function for explicit Boolean conversions. Additionally, you can use the double not operator to achieve the same effect. This is the next question. In the context of Boolean conversion, which values evaluate to false, and which values evaluate to true? Here is the interview response. Values that are intuitively empty are false. All other values are true. Let's look at the next question. What is the Boolean return value for the string 0 in JavaScript? The interview response is: in JavaScript, the Boolean return value for the string 0 is true because it's a non-empty string, making it a truthy value. Now, for the next question. What are the 3 widely used type conversions in JavaScript? Here is the correct answer to this question. The 3 widely used type conversions in JavaScript are string conversion, numeric conversion, and Boolean conversion, which can occur implicitly or explicitly. Let's move on to the next question. What is type coercion in JavaScript? The correct interview response is: type coercion in JavaScript is the automatic conversion of one data type to another during operations or comparisons, often leading to unexpected behavior. Here's the next question. What is the toString method in JavaScript? The correct answer is: the toString method is a built-in method in JavaScript that converts an object to its string representation. This is the next question. What are the falsy values in JavaScript? The correct answer is: falsy values in JavaScript are false, 0, empty string quotes, null, undefined, and nan. They are coerced to Boolean false in a Boolean context. This is the next question. In what ways can we check if a value is falsy in JavaScript? The correct answer is: in JavaScript, to check if a value is falsy, you can use direct evaluation, a ternary operator, double negation, or comparison to false. Falsy values include false, null, undefined, nan, 0, and empty strings. This is the next question. In JavaScript, what are wrapper objects? The correct answer is: in JavaScript, wrapper objects are temporary objects created when calling methods or accessing properties on primitive data types. They're instances of string, number, or Boolean classes automatically created and discarded. This is the next question. What does the 0 or 1 conditional expression return? The correct answer is: in JavaScript, a logical expression of 0 or 1 returns 1. The OR operator returns the first truthy value it encounters. Since 0 is falsy, it proceeds to 1, which is truthy. Now, for the final question. What is the value of method in JavaScript? This is the correct way to answer this question. The value of method, in JavaScript, is an object method that returns the primitive value of the object, often used for type conversion during arithmetic operations or comparisons. We've now come to the end of this video on JavaScript type conversion. We hope that you found it to be informative and valuable. Be sure to join us for the next video, where we'll take a closer look at window interactions. Thank you for watching.